Amongst Ali Abdaal's YouTube shorts, one effect that most people love is the paper folding effect. So, today, I'll show you how to create this effect using AI. It's fast, easy, and 100% free. First, open your web browser. I'll show you on my computer, but you can use your phone, it works either way. Now, type in and visit paperanimators.com. Here, the first thing you will do is sign up on the website. Now, upload or drag and drop the file you want to animate. I'll use this picture. If your image doesn't have a transparent background, just tap on the main object of the image to remove it. Now, click Use Image. You can adjust some settings based on your requirements from the Animation Settings panel. I'll increase the size a bit and adjust the edge thickness to get Ali Abdaal style, and set both texture and movement to 0. Make sure to turn on the green screen mode by tapping the color icon here. Then, click the third icon to add the folding animation like Ali Abdaal. Okay, now that we have the animation, tap on the export icon to download the animated video. Tap on Export Video MP4. Okay, so we have the video downloaded. Now, open CapCut or any other editing software and create a new project. Here, I have a background image in the timeline. Drop the paper animation video onto it. Now, use the cutout tool to remove the green screen and adjust the strength to eliminate the green outline. Now as I play the video, you can see we have a nice unfolding animation. But to get the folding animation, all you have to do is reverse the clip. So, select the clip from the timeline and tap on the reverse icon here. Now you have the folding effect like Ali Abdaal's. Please like and subscribe.